Hey y'all, it's your girl Dom Beauty. I have a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for you guys, and I love how it came out, so just stay tuned. So starting off with the eyes, I'm going to be using concealer to set the base for the eyeshadow, and I'm using the color Fawn. Oh, and this is LA Girls concealer, by the way. And now I'm going to take some tape to create a sharp edge for the eyeshadow. And the palette that I'm using is the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. And it is so beautiful. The transition shade, I'm using Canvas. And for the crease and upper crease, I'm using the shade Create. And for the crease, I'm going to be using the shade Passion, and I'm just going to blend so it will look nice and seamless. And adding another shade to the crease, I'm going to be using the color Forever, and this is to create that crease look that I'm going for. And I actually got some new Morphe brushes, some more rose gold brushes. I'm just forgetting to mention them in the video. But I'm just going to continue to blend. And now I'm taking a makeup wipe to clean up the lid for the glittery color. I don't know what I'm saying right now. But I'm going to be using the concealer again for the base, for the not the concealer, for the lid color. That's what I'm trying to say. And I'm also carving out the crease too. And I'm just taking a small eyeliner brush to add more of the Forever color in the crease. Okay, so now for the glittery color, I'm taking the color Trendy, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. This color is so pretty, and it just ties the whole look together, in my opinion. I just love how this look came out. And here I'm just taking my pinky finger to pack on the glittery color, because I feel like the brush wasn't really doing what I needed it to do. So yeah, I'm just adding more. Now I'm just blending everything together, and I'm also blending out the top edges of the eyeshadow. And here I'm just cleaning up the excess glitter that fell, taking off the tape, and I'm just cleaning everything up. Now for primer, I'm using the Rihanna Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. For color correct, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Orange. I'm just going to blend that out, and this helps conceal the dark circles and hyperpigmentation. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty, and I'm in the color 380. And I'm just going to take a Real Techniques beauty blender to blend that all together. And this foundation does everything. It's matte. I have oily skin, by the way, so this foundation is just perfect, and it is the perfect shade for me. Like, Rihanna did her thing with this foundation and this whole line, really. And for concealer, I'm using the MAC Pro Long Wear in the shade NC45. And I love using this concealer because it's creamy and it gives great coverage. I wouldn't say completely full, but it does its job. To set that, I'm using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. And to set my whole face, I'm using the MAC Skin Mineralized Finish powder. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. And I love using this stuff because it gives off a natural light glow to the face. So yeah, I love it. For bronzing, I'm using the Too Faced Soleil Chocolate bronzer, and I love this bronzer because it smells like chocolate. And it just gives off like a natural bronze look. To highlight, I'm going to be using the Carly Bible palette. I'm about to say Cardi B. But yeah, I'm using the highlight shade to highlight my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. And I'm using the same highlight shade in the tear ducts of my eyes to make my eyes really pop and to highlight the brow bone. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the Glam Glow setting spray. And I'm just going to spray until I can't spray no more. For eyeliner, I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner. And this stuff was cheap, but it's really good. I like it. For mascara, I'm using the new Maybelline Temptation mascara, and this is supposed to be like really good for your lashes. It's supposed to moisturize it too because it has some kind of coconut extract. And going back into the palette, I'm using the shade Passion, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line to make my eyes pop even more. For lashes, I'm using the Salon Perfect and the Style Demi Wispy, and it took me like 10 minutes to apply those because I'm not used to applying lashes, which some of y'all already know that. For liner, I'm using the ColourPop and K, and for the lip color, I'm using the Fenty Beauty and Spangled. And these lipsticks are everything, and this color is everything. It just ties all the look together. And this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.